Let's dive into the system menu for the Multimatic 215 Pro Multiprocess Welder. Please take a few minutes to review important safety information and tips for the Multimatic 215 Pro. Warning: always read and follow all labels and your owner's manual. And remember to wear appropriate safety gear during setup and welding. To adjust some settings, you will need to turn the Auto Set feature off. To access the menu settings, press Menu. Rotate either knob and press knob to change menu options, which include features such as pre-flow, post-flow, run-in, and fast-tack. When in the TIG process, Remote Enable is also available. Rotate the right knob to adjust settings. To exit menu, press the Menu button. For in-depth information on settings, refer to the owner's manual. Once in the menu, press the second button on the user interface to access the system settings. This includes features such as Setup Screen, Spool Gun Cal Dialog, and Gas Connection Alert. Gas Connection Alert is a new feature that will prompt an error message on screen when you pull the trigger on your MIG gun if no gas is detected. The Factory Reset button will restore the machine to factory settings. Your Multimatic 215 Pro is enabled with USB upgradable software to allow for expandable capabilities in the future. When upgrades are available, insert an empty USB drive into your computer and download the file onto your USB from millerwelds.com. Plug USB into the machine. Select the menu and click the fourth button on the user interface named Software Versions. Once the USB is detected by the machine, select the Upgrade button and wait for your machine to finish upgrading. Now, you are ready to make professional quality welds.